What's up, YouTube? Okay, so I'm working on my field programmable gate array field oriented control, or I guess it's the other way around, field oriented control on a FPGA. So I had a motor, 3-phase motor, came from an aeroplane, remote control airplane, 3-phase motor, and let me help you with that. That's an encoder, Quadrature Encoder, and this is a field programmable gate array, that part there, and RD development board. I made that little circuit board there. It just translates the voltage. This is a differential like RS-485 signal that comes out of the encoder here, and this just goes from RS-485 to just the regular old digital I/O. And so I got this thing running here now. Let me show you a little bit of code. This is a high-level view of what's running inside of the field programmable gate array right now. So there's a microblaze processor and all this stuff. There's like an interface to the RAM, so clocks, blah blah blah, lots of boring parts, but basically you have the microblaze processor, its surrounding systems, and this is a this is the quadrature counter, so it takes the encoder A and B tracks and a clock signal, and it counts the encoder. It'll count up or down. So you have this system, and then in addition to that, there's some C code that's running on the microblaze. And long story short, here's what it does. So I got this thing cranked up right now. It connects over Ethernet, the Ethernet connection to my computer here, and when I press enter, it gives a count. So I can move the motor here a little bit and go over here, and we get another count. So let's see if I can bring this back into the positive range here. There we go. So that's about 0. And I can actually power up this thing here. So I just have this open loop controller now, and you can use that to spin the motor. So there you go. Oh, and the one other thing, I have the count register wired up to these LEDs so you can watch it count. But yeah, that's about it. So making progress. Like I said, it's still, everything's open loop now still. So the next step from here, I have this a couple of half bridges here that will make up a 3-phase inverter, but I only have it wired to a brushed motor. And but anyhow, need to get this thing here fired up so that I can eventually hook it to here and get rid of this thing. So that's about it. Talk to you.